Check for proper signal voltage by measuring 24 volts between each control signal terminal and common at both the thermostat and the control board. Start by turning off power at the service disconnect. Remove the thermostat cover and mount, and visually inspect wiring for loose or corroded terminations. Restore power, set your multimeter to AC voltage, and measure between the R terminal and common to confirm constant 24 volts. This is your reference and should always read 24 volts. Next, measure from each control signal terminal to common individually. So measure G to common, Y to common, and W to common. Expected readings are either 0 volts when inactive or 24 volts when the thermostat calls for that function. If a terminal reads intermittently, cycle the thermostat function while watching the meter to see if the voltage appears only during the call, which indicates correct signaling. For accuracy, repeat the same measurements at the control board terminals and compare values. A significant difference means a wiring issue, voltage drop, or a failed transformer. Finally, use the meter to check for shorts to ground and inspect wire insulation and routing for pinches or staples that can cause intermittent voltage loss. Common mistakes include relying on battery-powered thermostats without checking the system transformer, which can show proper internal battery voltage but not supply 24 volts to the control circuit. So always test at the thermostat base with power on and verify the transformer output at the control board. Another frequent issue is reading only at the thermostat and not at the control board, where a loose connection or splice inside the wall can drop voltage. Measure at both ends and trace continuity if readings differ. A third problem is using a meter set to the wrong range or to direct current, which gives false readings. So set the multimeter to the alternating current voltage range, appropriate for low voltage systems, and confirm meter calibration or test on a known source first. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who post work opportunities and share project experiences. Our site also hosts a community discussion area where we and other members exchange troubleshooting tips and contractor referrals.